And it's we have a connecting flight in Mexico City and to get to Cancun, and at this point we've missed it and we really need help.
I'm so jealous.
Gotta get my coins up and get a side job just to avoid traveling.
They have another group you got to.
And it's we have a connecting flight in Mexico City and to get to Cancun, and at this point we've missed it and we really need help.
I'll make it a story time in another video, but for a quick rundown, this airline is pure trash. Do not fly with them. We basically missed our flight of no fault of our own and had to rebuy tickets for a whole new airline. We almost didn't make it to Mexico and we were almost in tears. Like, it was a mess. But we finally boarded our new flight and continued on. It actually arrived in Mexico 2 hours earlier than what we were supposed to on our original flight, with a 3-hour layover in Mexico City.
F-F-O-R-D. The kids will have them sit here. Like, I kind of do want to take and get them on a nice vacation. Yeah, but I guess once you take a shower, get dressed, and come down here.
Yeah.
I just needed something comfortable. I hate traveling with like.
Champagne.
Thank you.
I have no idea. Like, let me pause that before I try to record something, because it's gonna be copyrighted. Y'all don't mind the bathroom because we already been in showers. We just in our chill little gear, about to not beat our face, just do something real quick so we can go find food, scope out where everything is right now, hopefully make new friends, some new homegirls, so we can find some other stuff to get into.
Yes.
Say hi, Bree.
Hey.
This is the room before it gets too junky with us trying to find stuff to wear for our next few days here. So we have full length mirror. That's the door to come in. TV, we have a bar down there. It's all inclusive, so they change it out every day, or I guess refill it every day. But it's warm, so we need to talk to the office about that. And our sink in the bathroom, one of our sinks don't work. This actually opens up to the bathroom. Hey. Our shower and toilet are separate. They gave us one big bed, but it's cool. I almost swear I requested two. They have like a privacy curtain here. Bunk bed, so if we drunk, we just come over here and lay down, or put our clothes over here. And then a little sitting area and a mirror, some little artwork. Then let me show y'all our balcony. Oh, it's open already. I'm over here trying to open the screen. It's already open. So, yeah, it's so humid out. But then look what we have. Let me see if I know how to open this though. I don't know how to open it, but oh, it slides, I think. Yeah, it slides. I'm tripping. Oh. And then you step out into the pool. And I just got this up, so out the shower. So I'm not gonna get in right now, but that is that. Okay. Packing time. Let me get ready and then I'll talk to y'all when we get to wherever we're going. Still chasing them. Oh my god, they fighting. They fighting. They sound like birds. They got their mouth open. Why y'all being mean to each other? Stop being mean. Right?
Outside.
So we did shots, y'all. Now we about to go find something to eat because we starving. We haven't had food since yesterday, for me anyway. So we're about to get out of this room and we'll see y'all in the restaurant. We didn't even take the camera with us. We just wanted to sightsee real quick, fill out everything. But we'll probably get up early in the morning for to see like the sunset come up from the beach. So as you can tell, my eyes probably look super low. I had a few drinks. Their drinks are really good. I don't know what else to say. back, y'all. Day 2. Let's get it. It was raining really hard just a few minutes ago, so I changed my outfit. So this is the outfit of the day. Probably no makeup, but I'll do my eyebrows, lip gloss. Camera is fogging up. Oh my god, it's like really bad. Me neither. Greetings. I can't tell if it's like if the view is blurry or not because of the fog. Okay, I think they said downstairs, right?
Oh, he said meet him downstairs?
Well, it's like a little desk down here. I think that's it.
I wonder if I could get cash back at
one of these stores?
Yeah.
Maybe. We can find out for
I'll see
sure.
how much it is to get cash out there.
Oh, there you go. Okay, y'all. We'll wait for you guys. Yeah, we're downstairs because we have to arrange our transportation back to the airport with our place that we booked with. So we're just waiting because he has customers right now. I think it's just because like the way the sun is facing, so now y'all can see us better. You look in there for real. Got your face covered up.
Whole face.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más.
Look, this is China ice cream.
Tell me what you got.
It's called Treasure Chest. Chocolate ice cream and had whipped cream on top with chocolate sauce and cherry.
I got coffee. I'm a coffee ice cream girl all the way. If they had caramel, it would have been even better, but this is perfect. The chocolate cone is a win.
So good.
This is like our lunch, kind of. Lunch snack. It's so cute in here. It's like a nice little retro, old school ice cream shop. So I love it.
Like sock hop area. And we have it all to ourselves.
Another one.
Y'all, water is essential here because for one, it's hot.
Yeah, drinking a lot.
Yes. We have all inclusive, so we drink all day. Everywhere we go.
Start to finish.
It's a bar right across the way, so we
We're
may
gonna
have
start there
another
next.
drink.
On the way downstairs.
Them, our new home girl.
Set up a seat for us so they'll